Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, grade 6. Today we will explain activity 7 and 8. We will start with activity 7. Activity 7, component of the circuit. We have learned before that magnets, generator, and turbines can be used to generate electricity. So we will study electricity. We will define electricity as it is a form of energy that comes from flow of electric charges moving along a path. This charge is called electrons. The electric charge that flow through conducting wires are called electrons, as we defined in electricity. Electrons must flow in a steady stream known as electric current. So we will define electric current as it is the flow of electric charges along closed path. Next, electric circuit. It is a path for transmitting an electric current. So the electric current must follow through electric circuit. As shown here, electric circuit, battery, lamp and wire. Wall socket in your home is a source of electricity that transfer electric current from a power lines connected to the building. Parts of electric circuit. Electric circuit consists of metal wire, electric power source, switch to open and close the circuit, electric device, maybe lamp or motor or light bulb. The switch. It is a component of electric circuit that we use to open and close the electric circuit, or we use it to control the electric circuit. Switch, it is the most common tool to open and close the electric circuit. Switch can be manual, such as a wall switch for lights. As shown here in these two pictures, you can notice when the light bulb is turned on, other the light bulb is turned off. When the switch is closed, so the light bulb will turn it on. When the switch is opened, so the light bulb will turn it off. Why? If the switch is closed, so the electric current flows through the circuit. If the switch is open, so the electric current does not flow through the circuit. There are two types of switch. Switch can be manual, as your wall switch in your home to open and close the light, or to turn it on and turn it off the light. Switch can be automatic, such as internal switch on a thermostat, which adjusts the temperature inside a device such as refrigerators. So inside the refrigerators there is a switch, but automatic switch to control the temperature inside it. Here we classified the material into two types. Material can conduct electricity, it's called electric conductor. material cannot conduct electricity, it's called electric insulators. The material can conduct electricity. They are materials through which electric current flows easily. Electric insulators, they are materials through which electric current does not flow easily. Electric conductors, also known as good conductor of electricity. Electric insulators are also known as bad conductor of electricity. Example for electric conductors: all metal such as copper, aluminum, and also water can conduct electricity. Example of a bad conductor of electricity or electric insulators: rubber, plastic. Next, in this part, he talked about electric current safety. Most of the electric wires are coated with rubber or plastic in your home, which are a bad conductor of electricity. Why, mister? They are, why the wire covered with rubber or plastic? To protect you from electric shock. To protect you from electric shock. If these wires not covered with plastic or rubber, so all the wire will cause electric shock for us. As an example, touching non-isolated wire that an electric current flows through causes an electric shock. If the human have electric shock, what will happen? Only that thing will cause death. Why, mister? It's a small shock. No, because your body or your human body contains a lot of water, which is a good conductor of electricity. That's why most of the wire is covered and coated with plastic or rubber to protect us from electric shock. So take care if you see non-isolated wires in your home or any place. Activity 8, lesson 4, conductors and insulators. We will explain in this activity that the material can conduct electricity and other material cannot conduct electricity. We will bring these tools: battery, small LED lamp, electric tape, 2 wires with insulated ends, aluminum foil, piece of cloth, rubber and razor, coin, small piece of wood, paper clip. We will start our experiment with use the wire, the small LED as shown here, and connected with the battery, and keep a space or a small cut in the wire to connect it with the material that we will test it. The battery to create an electric circuit. 2, we will insert the coin or the first material that we will test as shown here to test if conducts electricity or not. 3. Insert in the place of coin, we will remove the coin and put the rubber. Insert the rubber or eraser in the circuit as shown to test if it conducts electricity or not. Number 4, we will repeat all the previous steps to test all the material that we have. What we will observe? The first observation, the lamp will light when the coin, aluminum, foil, or the paper clip are inserted into the circuit. Second observation, the lamp doesn't light when the rubber, eraser, the small piece of wood, or the piece of cloth are inserted in the circuit or into the circuit. We can conclude what we observe and what we experiment in this experiment as material made of metals are electric conductors. Other materials such as a rubber, piece of wood, the piece of cloth are electric insulators. Here, electric conductors conduct enough electricity for the lamp to light, as the coin, aluminum foil, and the paper clip. The other materials that we used also, as a rubber, wood, and the piece of cloth, don't conduct electricity for the lamp to light. Here we will explain two questions. What happen if, and give reason. He said, what happen if we connect, or if we insert the coin into the circuit, but we will cover the coin here, as shown here, we will cover the coin with electric tape. If we wrap a metal coin with an electric tape, so we coat it with a plastic, which is made of plastic, and inserted in the electric circuit, what will happen? Mister, directly you covered with plastic, so it will insulate the coin, so the coin will not conduct electricity. So the lamp in the circuit will not light because the electric current cannot flow through the plastic. Give reason. Electric wire are wrapped in a plastic. Why we cover or coated the electric wire with plastic? Because plastic is an electric insulator that prevents electricity to move from metal's wire into our hands. Because plastic is an electric insulator that prevents electricity to move from the metal wire into our hands. Here, some materials, and we will classify all of them into electric conductor and electric insulator. You can see iron nail, metallic spoon, metallic key, all of them electric conductor. But plastic spoon, rubber, piece of wood, all of them are electric insulators. So this one conduct electricity, it's called electric conductors or good conductor of electricity. This one don't conduct electricity, so it's called electric insulator. So it will not conduct electricity. Thank you, my dear students. See you